What's going on, everybody? So I know a lot of people are wondering how they can tell if they are being scammed or not for credit repair. So I'm going to show you one of the main ways you can find out if you are being scammed or not. Just check this video out. Alright, so I'm going to make this video short and sweet and get to the point. If you're not sure if you are being scammed or not, one of the ways you can find out whether you are being scammed or not is by simply asking the company to send you copies of everything they're mailing to the bureaus. And yes, by law, you, the consumer, have a right to see everything they're doing as far as work, even if they're disputing online or using their very own system called ACAT. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Sunday night.